To conclude today, remember Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, RJD's Tejasvi Yadav and other Mahagathbandhan leaders held a foot march in Patna, marking the culmination of their Voter Adhikar Yatra that covered about 1,300 kilometers and passed through over 110 assembly constituencies in what was seen as a prelude to a high-octane assembly poll campaign in the state. Let me go across to my colleague Niyamika, who's joining us with more on this. Niyamika, get us more of what happened on the final day of the Voter Adhikar Yatra. There have been several controversies, several statements that came out of this Yatra. Today, of course, that entire rally concluding.
Well, firstly, I would like to show you the visuals here as right now this is the picture which is coming in on the from Patna, as you can see that how there is this Voter Adhikar Yatra which is on its very last day, on its concluding day. There are the lot of India bloc leaders who have participated in this particular Yatra, giving out a message of a united opposition in the nation, as we have seen that how they have been continuously making allegations against the Election Commission of India regarding the vote chori. As you can see behind me that these are the kinds of posters which have also been placed here with a picture of Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well as the Home Minister Amit Shah. You can see that how it is being alleged that bahut bahil chhatran par lathi se waar na chahi e vote chorwa sarkar. So that was the kind of a message which the opposition parties, the Mahagathbandhan parties are trying to give through this Voter Adhikar Yatra. They are not just questioning the SIR exercise which is getting conducted in the state of Bihar just ahead of the assembly elections, but also we have seen that how Rahul Gandhi is repeatedly making these allegations that in various states it is the BJP which is forming the government by doing vote theft, and that is the only reason why they are also trying to spread across this message in the state of Bihar as well, that they should not let this happen. It is the responsibility of the people of Bihar that they should come together and they should not elect any such kind of a government which comes to power only because of the vote chori. This entire yatra has covered almost 1,300 kilometers, covering more than 130 districts and 130 assemblies and around 25 districts all across this yatra. We have seen that how Rahul Gandhi along with Tejasvi Yadav have met several of the leaders as well. Many of the India bloc leaders are also being present here, as it is not just Dipankar Bhattacharya, P. Raja, M.A. Baby, but also the Chief Minister Hemant Soren is also has also come here. Sanjay Raut is also being here to participate in this Voter Adhikar Yatra from TMC. It is Yusuf Pathan who has also been invited to participate in this yatra. So clearly it is the opposition which is trying to give out this message that they are united to fight against the BJP at the center. They are not going to let any of the malpractice which they are basically alleging that is being done by the BJP in various elections to take place in these assembly elections as well, and that is the only reason why they are taking out this yatra. However, it will be really interesting to see that whether it will be, converted into votes in favor of Mahagathbandhan or not in the upcoming days.
Niyamika, another interesting thing to watch out for is the fact that while the opposition continues to say that we are united and they're putting up a united front, let me quickly come back to you.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.